Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Pro, and I will show you how you can take bursts of the photos, the series of the pictures basically. So you have to open the camera. Next you have to tap on the right upper corner, enter the settings, and when you got here the press and hold shutter button, you have to switch from record video to the burst shot. And take a look. Right now when you click and hold the shutter, as you can hear, it takes a lot of photos. So it takes 100 photos in a few seconds. And when you enter here, tap here and tap on the middle button. Here we can check every photo that we made. We can select all of them, few of them, or delete, so we have to decide. We can keep all photos or keep selected 5 photos, and you will be able to delete other photos by making this simple move. And as you can see, there it is. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.